for example 2, we're going to take each expression and we're going to rewrite with a positive exponent. So for our first question, we've got 3 to the negative 2. That's our first rule. We're going to rewrite that as 1 over, keep our base the same, make our exponent positive. This is rewritten with a positive exponent. That's question number 1. Question number 2 is to evaluate. Well, 3 to the power of 2 will be 9, so my expression now will be 1 over 9. Let's look at question B. We have a fraction to a negative exponent, so the rule is I'm going to take the reciprocal of my base, so 3 over 4 becomes 4 over 3. The negative is inside the brackets, so notice it's staying inside the brackets. I take the reciprocal of my base and I make my exponent positive. This is rewritten as a positive exponent. Then to evaluate, I'm going to work out negative 4 over 3 to the power of 3. Well, negative 4 to the power of 3 is negative 64. Remember, that's negative 4 multiplied by negative 4 multiplied by negative 4. And then I have to take the 3 in the denominator and cube it. 3 cubed is 27. So my final answer is negative 64 over 27. Part C is our second rule. We have 1 in the numerator, that's important, 2 to the negative 3. So the rule says take the reciprocal, 2 over 1 becomes 2. Make my exponent a positive. This is written as a positive exponent. Evaluate it. 2 to the power of 3 is 8. In part D, I want you to notice the negative in front. So I'm going to rewrite this question. I'm going to put the negative in front. And then I'm going to look at this question as 1 over 4 to the negative 2. Hold on to this negative in front. If I have 1 over 4 to the negative 2, the rule says take the reciprocal of the base. So 1 over 4 becomes 4 over 1, or just 4, and make my exponent positive. So negative 4 to the power of 2 is 16, so evaluated, my answer is negative 16. In part C, what's different now is this 5. So if I have 5 in my numerator, the rule is 1 in the numerator. So I want to rewrite that as 5 gets multiplied by 1 over 4 to the negative 2. I'm holding on to the 5. 4 to the negative 2 in the denominator, the rule is write the reciprocal. 1 over 4 to the negative 2 becomes 4 to the positive 2. Then I have 5 multiplied by 4 squared is 16, and 5 multiplied by 16 is 80. For part F, I have 2 questions now to work through. There's 2 parts to this. So I've got 5 to the negative 2 divided by 4 to the negative 3. So I'm going to rewrite that. And then I'll work out each part. So 5 to the negative 2, the rule is rewrite that as 1 over 5 squared. Divide that by, and I'm rewriting 4 to the negative 3. That's 1 over 4 to the power of 3. Evaluate, that's 1 over 25 divided by 1 over 64. We're going to do a little bit of review now. When I divide fractions, remember that's the same as if I multiply by the reciprocal. So my final answer will be 64 over 25.